How to remove card from GPay. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can remove the card that you've added on your GPay or Google Pay, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have added any sort of card and that you would like to remove them from GPay, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Google Pay application there, and once you've done that, tap on your Google profile from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on your profile icon, scroll down over here and then you should be able to look for the option that says settings and then tap on it. Under the settings option here, you should be able to see all this. Now otherwise, what you can also do is over here you'll find one more option called linked accounts and payment methods. Make sure to tap on it. Here you'll find the payment methods. So if you happen to add any sort of payment method to your GPay, you'll be able to find those cards, and as a result you will be able to remove them respectively. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically remove card from GPay. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.